room makeover. I never expected it to take this long, especially because I was making it from scratch, and I really wish that I had started making it before filming this video. So now what we so far to turning this into an 8-day challenge. Pray for light and the broad lights, because I'm the light of the world. In case you are seeing wires, I was supposed to get a wireless mic, but I got a mic with this. Today is day 2. I will be painting the walls, and I've been procrastinating this for like so long, and I'm literally tired of procrastinating it. Like, it doesn't feel hard, but like filming myself while painting just feels like a lot of work. Really move. And then I've painted this room before. However, I didn't have enough because I gave some to my brother to paint his room. This place is very good, but see, this place, the paint has also finished, so there's no time to do finishing touch. As for this, there's no more paint, so I'm not going to paint it. 안녕하세요. Tenimda. Hello everyone. So we have finally gotten to the end of this video, and it has taken a very long time, and honestly I'm very glad that I was able to do this, because this was really draining and really exhausting, and I really wish that I started making the DIYs earlier than I actually did. This makeover didn't just start now. I started planning around March, and I did get things that I needed. However, I never fully started because classes and programs and school activities kept showing up, and I just could not handle everything all together. I'm going to create another video very soon about how I actually made the DIYs from scratch. I didn't want to put the two in the same video because I know there are people who might be interested in just the room and not necessarily interested in the DIY. So I've actually been wanting to change my room for quite a while, and that's because since I started content creation, I've been using this pink, maybe orange background, and while I do like the background, I felt like it was high time I changed the space, and being able to change it in a way that I genuinely like is literally one of the best feeling of creating this makeover. And honestly, I'm very, very happy with the result, and I have no complaint. That's just the real truth. I have no complaint. If you did watch this end of the video, comment blue butterfly. I will know that you're a real one. Comment blue butterfly. Thank you for watching, and like, share and subscribe.